Always remember, clean thoroughly using 70% alcohol before applying the film. For countertops or similar large areas, we recommend to spray with the installation fluid both the film and the surface. Place the film and move it to the right position. If it doesn't move, it needs more fluid. You can lift it to remove large wrinkles. When in place, with the help of the squeegee and light pressure, start removing the fluid from the center outwards. Do this passes 2 or 3 times, increasing each time the pressure, until all the fluid is removed. Wait around 30 minutes to get a better adhesion. After 30 minutes, using the edges of the counter as guide, cut the excess of the film. Do a final pass of pressure on the edges, to seal the borders. Thank you for using our products. For more information, visit us at touchguard.net or email us at info@touchguard.net.